Fellas, let's be real. Respect isn't given, it's earned. If a woman doesn't respect you, she'll never truly love you. She might date you, talk to you, even spend time with you, but deep down, she won't see you as a man of value. And the worst part, she won't even know why. Most men fail at this because they try too hard to impress, over-explain, or tolerate disrespect. But today, I'm giving you the one move that will make her respect you instantly, and 5 powerful ways to lock that respect in for good. What you'll learn today: how to set unbreakable boundaries, the power of silence and controlled speech, why walking away makes you more attractive, emotional control, your secret weapon, why actions speak louder than words. Listen, if you've ever felt like a woman was losing interest, testing you or treating you like an option, it's because you didn't command respect the right way. But that changes today. Stay locked in, hit that like button if you're ready to level up, and make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Set boundaries. Like a king, never let her cross the line. Respect isn't something you ask for, it's something you command. And the fastest way to command respect from a woman is by setting clear boundaries and sticking to them, no matter what. A man without boundaries is like a doormat. He gets walked over, ignored, and eventually discarded. Imagine this scenario. You've been seeing a woman for a while, and she suddenly starts cancelling plans last minute, offering weak excuses. Most guys would say, "It's okay, I understand," thinking they're being nice. But what they're really doing is signaling that their time isn't valuable. A high-value man handles this differently. He might say, "I respect my time, and I don't appreciate last-minute cancellations. If you want to see me, you'll need to put in effort too." That's how a leader speaks. It's firm, calm, and non-negotiable. Women instinctively test men to see if they have a backbone. If you allow bad behavior, she will lose respect for you over time. She might not even realize why, but her attraction will start to fade. Boundaries don't mean being rude or controlling. They mean you value yourself enough to demand a certain standard. And here's the key: boundaries must have consequences. If she keeps crossing the line and you keep tolerating it, you're training her to disrespect you. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. If you want respect, start by respecting yourself first. Have you ever set a boundary and instantly noticed a shift in how a woman treated you? Drop your experience in the comments. Number 2. Speak less, mean more. The power of silence. One of the most underrated power moves a man can make is to embrace silence. In a world where everyone is trying to prove something, a man who speaks less but says more instantly commands respect. Women are naturally drawn to men who have a sense of mystery, and one of the best ways to create that is by mastering the art of controlled speech. Think about this. When a man talks too much, explains himself constantly, or tries to over-justify his actions, he appears weak and insecure. Women pick up on this instantly. But a man who speaks with purpose and doesn't feel the need to explain every little thing, that's the kind of man who commands attention. Let's put this into a real-world scenario. Imagine a woman playfully tests you by saying, "You probably say that to every girl." A weak man would scramble, saying, No, I don't. I'm serious, I really mean it." But a strong man? He smirks, makes eye contact, and simply says, "You think so? Then he pauses, letting the tension build. That moment of silence is powerful. It shows confidence. It shows he's not seeking approval. Women respect men who aren't emotionally reactive. If she says something challenging and you immediately try to defend yourself with a long-winded response, she subconsciously sees you as weak. Instead, a high-value man uses brief and impactful responses that leave her thinking. This principle applies to everything: dating, business, leadership. The less you speak, the more your words carry weight. Think about how powerful figures like CEOs or respected public figures carry themselves. They don't rush their words. They don't overshare. They speak with precision, and because of that, people listen. Next time you're in a conversation, slow down. Don't rush to fill the silence. Observe how people react when you don't immediately answer. You'll notice that they lean in more, listen more attentively, and, most importantly, respect you more. Have you ever used silence to shift the power in a conversation? Drop your experience in the comments. Number 3. Walk away without fear, the ultimate power move. If there's one move that will instantly make a woman respect you, it's your ability to walk away when your standards aren't met. Most men cling to relationships or situations, hoping to win a woman over. But the men who truly command respect are the ones who know their worth and refuse to settle for less. Let's break this down. Imagine you're seeing a woman and she starts acting distant. She takes longer to reply, cancels plans at the last minute, or seems disinterested. A weak man would chase her, ask if everything is okay, and try to fix things. But a strong man? He steps back. He doesn't beg for attention. He lets her come to him, or he walks away completely. The truth is, women respect men who are willing to leave when they're not treated right. The moment she realizes you are not dependent on her validation, her entire attitude shifts. Suddenly, she starts wondering, wait, why isn't he chasing me like other guys? That's when the respect kicks in. Think of it like this. Have you ever noticed how people value something more when they feel like they might lose it? That's exactly what happens when you show a woman that you are completely comfortable walking away if she isn't meeting your standards. And this isn't just about women. This applies to life. If you're stuck in a toxic job, a disrespectful friendship, or any situation where you're not valued, walking away is the strongest move you can make. It tells the world and yourself that you won't tolerate less than what you deserve. A lion never chases. It moves with confidence, knowing its worth. That's how you should approach relationships. Walking away isn't about playing games. It's about showing that you value yourself more than any temporary situation. Number 4. Control your emotions. Become the man. She can't manipulate women test men all the time. It's not because they want to break you. It's because they want to see what you're made of. If a woman can easily push your buttons, make you jealous, or get a reaction out of you, she will slowly lose respect for you. Think about it. Have you ever been in a situation where a woman playfully mentioned another guy just to see how you'd react? A weak man would immediately get defensive. Oh yeah? Well, I have options too. That reaction alone shows insecurity. But a strong man? He just smirks and says, "That's cute." No anger, no jealousy, just pure, unshaken confidence. Emotional control is one of the biggest factors that separate weak men from strong men. Women naturally admire men who can remain calm under pressure. who don't let emotions dictate their actions, and who never react impulsively. Let's take another scenario. You're in an argument, and she raises her voice trying to get an emotional response out of you. A weak man would start yelling back, letting the situation escalate. But a strong man? He stays calm, composed, and unbothered. His presence alone commands respect. This doesn't mean you should be emotionless. It means you should be emotionally controlled. When a man has full control over his emotions, he becomes unstoppable, not just in relationships, but in life. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." If you can master your emotions, you can master any situation. Women respect men who are unshakable, who don't let small things affect their confidence, and who always remain in control. Here's the challenge. The next time you feel an emotional reaction rising, pause. Take a deep breath. Respond instead of reacting. Notice how people start treating you differently when they realize you're not easily moved. Number 5. Be a man of action. Let your actions speak louder than words. If there's one thing that separates men who are respected from those who are ignored, it's this. A man of action doesn't talk about what he's going to do. He just does it. Women respect men who back up their words with action, who move with purpose, and who don't waste time making empty promises. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who constantly talks about their big plans but never follows through? Over time, you stop taking them seriously. The same principle applies in relationships. If you tell a woman you're going to do something and you don't do it, she will lose respect for you instantly. Let's say you tell her, "I'm going to start hitting the gym and getting in shape." If a few weeks go by and she sees no change, she won't take your words seriously anymore. But if she sees you actually putting in the work, waking up early, hitting the gym, eating healthy, she'll admire and respect you without you even needing to say a word. This applies to everything. Your career. Don't just talk about success. Take action every day. Your goals. Show discipline, even when no one is watching. Your relationships. If you say you have standards, enforce them. Your lifestyle. Carry yourself with discipline and purpose. Women have a deep respect for men who stay true to their word. If you say you'll be somewhere at 7 p.m., be there at 7 p.m. If you tell her you're going to start a business, take action toward it immediately. She won't respect a man who makes excuses or constantly changes his mind. This also applies to how you handle challenges. When life gets tough, weak men complain. Strong men take action. A high-value man doesn't sit around waiting for the perfect moment. He creates the moment. And when a woman sees that you're a man who follows through, she will naturally look up to you and respect you. The ancient Stoics had a principle: waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. That's the mindset you need. Don't just talk about self-improvement. Be the man who lives it. The next time you make a promise, to yourself or someone else, follow through no matter what. Watch how people, especially women, start respecting you differently. There you have it, fellas. If you want to get a woman's respect, you don't need to beg for it, chase it, or explain yourself. You need to command it. By setting boundaries, speaking with intention, walking away when necessary, mastering your emotions, and backing up your words with action, you become the man who naturally earns respect. Respect isn't about playing games. It's about being the man who knows his worth, who isn't afraid to walk away, and who is always in control of his emotions. When you show that, she'll respect you, admire you, and most importantly, she'll chase you. So, here's your challenge. Start implementing these strategies today. Don't just talk about them. Take action and show the world that you're the kind of man who demands respect without even asking for it. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to keep leveling up. Let's keep this journey going, because when you rise, everything around you rises. Remember, you're not just a man, you're a force. Now, go out there and show her why. Until next time, keep being the best version of yourself. You've got this.